See, look at that, Carl. Are you watching it?
Yeah, I'm watching.
I can see hundreds, millions, and 100,000 things are falling
Okay, be
down.
quiet. Okay, Carl? Be quiet. That is a very strong tornado.
It went up to the house.
I don't like the clutter over here, so keep an eye on it.
Kind of going in southeastern
Smells like a polar bear.
Oh, they're watching it too, yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody's watching it.
Looks like it might have missed that house. That is a good size tornado right there.
See that bird? He's flying away. That's because
No, don't you start barking.
he was just barking at us. It's getting darker. Whoa. It's getting darker and bigger. Yeah, that guy's getting bigger by a second.
I don't care about that.
Bradley's sucking on. I don't care about my tooth. I care about that.
Holly, do you know where you want to go?
Downstairs in the basement and bathroom.
Wait. Basement. That's
Away from the windows.
Maybe I think the bathroom's the best shot.
Basement?
oh my gosh. It's coming
There's windows.
towards us. It's getting
So
closer.
you go to the bathroom in here. You're above ground.
We gotta get the dogs.
Hush, Katrina.
That is huge. Holy cow.
Going more east though.
It's going south.
No, but it's coming more east.
Yeah.
Southeast.
That is huge.
It's interesting that the police have pulled over and they have lights on, but they're not stopping anybody.
Well, they don't know what to do either. They're kind of like fifth grade class. They're not
Because
sure.
when you see bathrooms
Whoa.
in the basement, Mom,
It's getting-
there are no facilities.
It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger.
Yes, hush.
That thing is gonna stick
It's
up.
moving a bit south.
That
East
guy.
southeast, I guess.
Look at the size of that rope.
That is
It's above
pretty
ground.
well formed now.
Hi.
But it looks like it's above the ground, doesn't it?
There's Mariana's rope. It's
Yes,
getting
honey.
always more.
Honey, hush.
Sonny. It will be hard to get the dolphin so fast. That guy, it looks like he's touching the ground. He's not touching the ground, but it's touching stuff from the ground, even though it's not touching the ground.
Yeah. You don't
Look,
see
it's right there.
you don't see Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz in there, do you?
No. Man, that is something else.
Well, that's only about 2.5 miles away, isn't it?
Yeah, I'd say that's only a couple miles away from us.
Looks like it skipped me probably south.
Yeah.
You ran right by one of them.
Yeah.
Thankfully, I think that's mostly field.
He's,
But these people in these houses need to be boogieing.
Yeah.
I don't hear sirens. Why do I not hear sirens?
Because they don't give enough warning. How many times have you seen that movie, Carl?
Right?
Right. It's dancing back and forth.
Yeah. My phone is dead, but I don't believe that Jerry is home. Jerry lives over there past those townhome things. No. Oh, my mom. Let's have that.
That guy's moving. Yes, he's moving.
He's moving back over where he asked before.
What's that? Oh,
Thanks for taking
yeah.
our sticker. I told him yesterday, I go, hey, we're back in town. He goes, thanks. Now that I'm all moved, I go,
Good
I think I would have been gone anyway. Gonna have to start at that house again. Stop it. I'm gonna go make it down.
Is that his girlfriend, Carly?
I don't know.
Okay.
That must
I
be
bet Carly.
Look at that helicopter.
Yeah, it's probably 9 News trying to get some shots of it.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn on the
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, the helicopters.
Man, that is one hell of a tornado. It's got to be hitting that house.
That's what I
Oh yeah, it's all over here. That's what kind of worries me is you see how the storm system kind of all here.
Well, what's worrisome is it's twirling over our head right now.
Yes, I know.
Look how wide it's getting at the bottom, too.
Well, do you see this?
Oh, look, it's hitting that house, Holly.
Yep, it is. Yes.
That's really nice.
Yes, honey.
9 News. They're talking about
Holly, go hit record on TV.
why.
I was thinking they didn't stay on the ground that long.
This is down a long time.
That's what it seems like.
Oh man, it hit that house dead on.
Actually, that's channel 2. That helicopter was
okay.
channel 2.
Okay,
They're taping it.
okay.
Uh-oh.
The house is still standing. I don't know what damage was done to it.
Can't see it. But it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. That can kill people.
Yes, honey, you're right. Hopefully it hasn't. See, it's dissipating again.